Whether you're adding on to your home or refinishing a basement, installing drywall is an essential step. With patience, the right tools, and a friend to help, hanging drywall can be a rewarding DIY project. Here's what you'll need. Begin by measuring the length of each wall. Then, cut the drywall sheets a 1/4 inch shorter than the width of the wall. Hang drywall horizontally to lessen the amount of taping. Hang top rows first and avoid aligning seams. Position the panel, then drive drywall screws into the middle of the sheet at a convenient height. After the first drywall screws are in place, put in the remaining screws, working from the center of the panel to the outside. Screws should be 16 inches apart and attached to studs. To install drywall around windows, cut the drywall before you hang it. For lower panels, position the sheet along the floor. Mark where it meets the bottom edge of the window and the width. For top panels, measure from the ceiling to the top of the window. Then cut panels based on the measurements. For windows that have yet to be installed, simply cover with the drywall panel, attach and use a drywall router to cut around the window. For outlets or other wall fixtures, make cuts using a spiral saw. First, note the height of the outlet box or fixture and draw marks on the floor. Remove the wires and screw the drywall in place, covering the box and using just enough screws to keep the drywall in place. Using your previous measurements, find the outside edge of the box or fixture and cut around the edges. Protect the corners with a metal corner bead. Cut the bead with tin snips, leaving it about 1/2 inch short. Hold it tight against the corner. Screws will distort the bead, so nail it in place, placing screws every 9 inches. Cut a piece of drywall a 1/4 inch short to fit between the corner and the last installed panel. Screw the drywall in place. Where the panels meet, cut a V-groove into the short, non-tapered ends with a utility knife, as this will make hiding the joint easier when you're taping. Once you've learned how to hang drywall, learn how to tape and finish the installed drywall for professional quality results. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.